Yeah, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to our next video, guys. This evening, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook some stew peas, guys. Yeah, some bad stew peas. And meat I'm gonna use chicken back, guys. The overs. Yeah, guys, I'll be a badness. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean up the chicken back and I'm gonna see what I want. The peas up on fire, guys. Don't know, my peas almost cooked. Guys, my peas almost cooked, so I'll clean up the chicken back. Showing a part I'm gonna see what I want, guys. So watch your badness. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so this is my chicken back. The overs. So I'm gonna clean him up and throw in a pot. I'm gonna see what I want, guys. I'll be a badness in the kitchen, guys. I'm not lie if you tell you. Some bad stew peas, guys. Can see over here, so guys. So I go on in the pot over here, so be a badness, guys. Guys, I soon come back. I'm gonna clean up my chicken back and I'm gonna see what I want. Yeah, guys, so watch what I go on in the pot over here, so guys. So I go on, yeah, my chicken back and the peas are going to boil. Guys, stay tuned. Soon come back, guys. I'll be a badness in the kitchen. I'm not lie if you tell you that stew, yeah, the chicken back stew, yeah, go bad, guys. Believe that. Yeah, you don't know. Put in my carrot and my Irish with some dumpling, guys. Watch your badness. Soon come back, guys. Yeah, guys, so watch your badness. So I go on in the pot. Guys, what am I gonna do? I go peel up some carrot and Irish if you go in my pot and knead up some flour. The overs. Yeah, guys, so just stay tuned. So I go on in the kitchen. Some bad stew, some chicken back stew, guys. Yeah, some bad stew peas, guys. Me soon come back. Yeah, guys, so Irish them. I peel up me Irish them, guys. Me gonna see what I go on. Guys, some bad stew peas, guys. Me not lie if you tell them. Guys, be a badness in the kitchen, guys. Some bad stew peas, guys. Chicken back stew peas, guys. Be a badness. Be a badness, guys. Me soon come back. Yeah, guys, up on my carrot. So my carrot, guys. Carrot long. Overs. Yeah, guys, some bad stew peas, guys. Yeah, guys, so I bust up some carrot. I'm gonna So go on, guys. In my stew, drink up people some bad stew peas, guys. I don't like it, you know. Guys, when I finish cut up my Irish, I'm gonna heat up some flour. I'm gonna see what go on, guys. I'll be about this in the kitchen, some bad stew, guys. I not like it, you know. Guys, I see badness in the kitchen. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna heat up some flour now. I'm gonna see what go on, guys. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so finish knead up my flour. So I go on. And see me carrot and Irish over here, so guys, you don't know the badness. Guys, soon come back. Be a badness in our kitchen, some stew, chicken back stew, guys. Bad chicken back stew peas. Guys, soon come back. And remember, guys, please like, share, comment, subscribe, click that notification bell as a video drop, guys, to have it. Boom. Yeah, people, so I go on in the pot over here, so. So I go on, guys. Yeah, the badness this. So the chicken back them big in it. Yeah. Be a badness, guys. Be a badness. Guys, I'm gonna make some flour and chew in here now. Just watch your badness in the kitchen. Yeah, guys. Guys, watch what go on in the pot over here, so. So what go on, guys. Be a badness in the kitchen, guys. Be a badness. Guys, me soon come back, guys. Just watch the video and so I go on in the kitchen. Overs. Yeah, be a badness. Be a badness. Guys, yeah, guys, so see me coconut powder. Yeah, coconut milk powder, guys. See the next one. Yeah, this is the Maggi. We use one of the Maggi and one of the ordinary one. Guys, be a badness. Be a badness, guys. Yeah, guys, look what I go on over here, so guys. Look what I go on in my stew pot. Guys, I'm making go on simmer down, guys. Don't know the badness. Guys, stay tuned for when it in the plate, guys. Yeah, guys, I soon come back. Guys, watch what I go on in my stew. Look what I go on in my pot, guys. I'm making go down some more, guys. Overs. Some bad stew peas, yo. With chicken back. Guys, Jamaican style, you know. Making go down some more, guys. Me not like it, that one I sell off, guys. Stay tuned for the finishing look when in at the plate, guys. Yeah. Jenko people, look what I go on in my pot, guys. Look what I go on in my pot. Guys, you see it? Yo, that's true, yeah, yo. Guys, be a badness. Some bad stew peas, guys, with chicken back. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. Me can land my pot anytime now, guys. Believe that. Anytime now, me can land my pot, guys. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. Soon come back. Be a badness. Yeah, guys, so this is the finishing look. I'm a stew peas, guys. Be a badness, guys. I'm out.